The 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.